Dino, the adventure to the ocean.
One sunny day, Dino walked to the ocean. It was huge and full of wonder. He listened to a seashell. It sounded just like the waves of the sea. Dino saw little crabs running sideways. He laughed. "Hello, tiny friends." One crab lifted its claws as if to say, "Hello, Dino." "Wow, you can talk too?" The ocean whispered back with waves and sparkles. Dino felt ready for an adventure. Dino ran as fast as he could, the ocean calling to him with sparkling waves. He splashed into the waves, laughing with excitement. Down he went into the ocean world, full of bubbles, light, and wonder. Then a giant shadow passed overhead. It was a whale. The whale looked at Dino kindly, with a big, gentle smile. "Hold on, Dino. Let's explore the ocean together." Together, Dino and the talking whale swam deeper into the ocean world. Dino pointed with wonder. Coral and seaweed danced gently in the waves. And deeper still, glowing jellyfish floated like lanterns in the sea. Suddenly, a shadow passed beneath them. A shark! The shark circled them, faster and faster. Dino held on tightly, his heart racing. But then the shark smiled. "Don't be afraid, Dino. I'm a friendly shark." Dino laughed. "Hello, shark." Now he had another new friend under the sea. The shark blew funny bubbles, and Dino laughed as he popped them one by one. The shark played peekaboo. Dino jumped, then giggled. "You're so funny!" The shark spun in circles, making a ring of bubbles that sparkled like magic. "Let's race," said the shark. Dino leaned forward, ready for fun. Together with the whale and shark, Dino swam further, when suddenly another sea creature appeared ahead. "Hello, Dino! Welcome to my reef!" The turtle said, "Climb on, little one." Dino laughed as he rode gently along. "The ocean is home to many," said the turtle. "Always be gentle and kind." Now Dino had many friends, the whale, the shark, and the turtle. Together, they swam further into the shining reef. Then Dino saw lights twinkling in the water, but they were moving. Hundreds of colorful fish whirled around them like a living rainbow. Dino giggled as the little fish tickled him, swirling all around like sparkling friends. The fish gathered together, shining like a rainbow curtain in the sea. The fish twinkled away into the sea, but Dino would never forget their rainbow dance. As the rainbow fish disappeared, Dino and his friends swam onward into a darker part of the ocean, where something new was waiting. Out came an octopus with 8 arms and a very big smile. "I can juggle," said the octopus, tossing seashells high with its arms. Dino tried to juggle too, but oops, the octopus caught the shell just in time. Together, the whale, shark, turtle, and octopus made a giant sea trick, and Dino cheered. The octopus gave Dino a soft hug. Dino laughed. His family of ocean friends was growing bigger and bigger. With so many new friends, Dino swam happily upward, ready to remember all the animals he had met today. Now let's review the animals Dino met today. Who is this big friend? Yes, it's the whale. And this one? Strong and fast. Yes, the shark. Slow and wise. Yes, it's the turtle. Tiny and colorful. That's the fish. And with 8 arms to hug, that's the octopus. Dino remembered them all: the whale, the shark, the turtle, the fish, and the octopus. Goodbye, everyone, Dino called, waving happily to all his new ocean friends.